Hello everyone, welcome to CUET General Knowledge episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, who is credited with developing the concept of zero in mathematical calculations? Option A, Pythagoras. Option B, Brahmagupta. Option C, Isaac Newton. Option D, 𝗕𝚗𝗂𝗃. The correct answer is option B, Brahmagupta. Aryabhatta introduced zero in 5th century and Brahmagupta introduced zero in calculations in around 628 AD. Next question is, which treaty established the European Union, EU? Option A, Maastricht Treaty. Option B, Treaty of Paris. Option C, Lisbon Treaty. Option D, Treaty of Rome. The correct answer is option A, Maastricht Treaty. The Maastricht Treaty, signed in 1992, formally established the European Union with provisions for political and economic integration. Next question is, the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear disaster occurred in which year? Option A, 2008. Option B, 2011. Option C, 2014. Option D, 2016. The correct answer is option B, 2011. The Fukushima Daiichi nuclear disaster occurred in 2011 following a massive earthquake and tsunami, resulting in the meltdown of 3 reactors. Next question is, the Coriolis Effect influences. Option A, tidal waves. Option B, wind patterns. Option C, ocean currents. Option D, earthquakes. The correct answer is option B, wind patterns. The Coriolis effect is responsible for the rotation of wind patterns and ocean currents due to the Earth's rotation. Next question is, the Seveso disaster of 1976 is associated with the release of option A, radioactive materials, option B, dioxins, option C, methane gas, option D, carbon monoxide. The correct answer is option B, dioxins. The Seveso disaster occurred in Italy due to the accidental release of dioxins, a group of toxic compounds from a chemical plant. Next question is, the concept of manifest destiny was associated with the expansion of which country? Option A, United Kingdom. Option B, United States. Option C, Russia. Option D, Germany. The correct answer is option B. United States manifest destiny was a 19th century belief that the United States was destined to expand across the North American continent. Next question is, the Raman effect involves the scattering of light by option A, electrons. Option B, nuclei. Option C, molecules. Option D, neutrons. The correct answer is option C, molecules. The Raman effect refers to the change in the frequency of light when it is scattered by molecules, providing valuable information about molecular vibrations. Next question is, which element is used in the production of atomic bombs? Option A, uranium-235. Option B, uranium-238. Option C, thorium-232. Option D, plutonium-240. The correct answer is option A, uranium-235. Uranium-235 is a fissile material used in the production of nuclear weapons due to its ability to sustain a chain reaction. Next question is, the Vienna Convention deals with option A, ozone layer protection. Option B, climate change. Option C, international trade laws. Option D, space exploration regulations. The correct answer is option A, ozone layer protection. The Vienna Convention is a framework for protecting the ozone layer, leading to the Montreal Protocol. Last question is, the Turing Test is related to which field of study? Option A, linguistics. Option B, cognitive psychology. Option C, artificial intelligence. Option D, quantum mechanics. The correct answer is option C, artificial intelligence. The Turing Test, proposed by Alan Turing, assesses a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior indistinguishable from that of a human. Now it's time for practice question. The Salim Ali National Park is located in option A, Kerala. Option B, Jammu and Kashmir. Option C, Rajasthan. Or option D, Maharashtra. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.